Good morning, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen here. So once again, another absolutely, check it out. Oh my gosh, isn't it? It's just so beautiful. It's stunning out there. So I thought I'd get a bit of a camera angle on this one. See if I can get a slightly better light. Normally I like my face to be lit up a bit more, but the sun's here, and if I come down here, it's like it's a bit it's a bit too much. So anyway, I thought, well, let's do my morning rice prep. So like I said, what I do is I get my jar of rice. So I usually get a big bag of rice. I have a friend that sometimes gets like a 5 kilo bag. Thank you. You know who you are. I appreciate you. Otherwise, yeah, I'll just get like a kilo bag of white basmati. But this is definitely my favorite. Like I've tried jasmine and all the other types of rice, but brown rice, I know, these other rices could be healthier and probably are, but they just don't taste as good. And so this is one little sort of compromise I make. And obviously I try to get organic when I can, okay? But just for now, I'm gonna, this is literally how I do it, right? So I've measured it out. I just do a couple of handfuls. I just cut my hand, do that. And that's pretty much it. Just a couple of handfuls of rice. Give it a swish. So I've just boiled the jug, right? Because I tell you, if you eat a lot of rice, you want to make good rice. So yeah, it's a beautiful day. So I'm just making this up before I go for a run, and then I'll come back and I'll do some weights. And I've just done my my morning meditation session. I put the rubbish out, the recycling out, and now I'm going to. And what else did I do? Meditation, coffee. Outside it's pretty chilly this morning. Beautiful. And then my 5 rights Tibetan yoga, which is an awesome little yoga routine. I'll probably show that to you guys at some point if you haven't checked it out already. And then some qigong out on the lawn, and I have to say it's pretty chilly out on the lawn. But yeah, there we go. Perfect. That'll do. I'll let that soak, so when I come back I can have a nice feed after I do some weights, and maybe do a little bit more body training. But yeah, I've got a bit of work stuff to do today, so put that there. But I just wanted to quickly give you a tour of my, a little tour of what else I do. So I use a bit of ginger, normally about that much, about a thumb's worth. And I chop that up, and then I probably use this is a small clove of garlic. I use probably about a quarter of that, put that in, fry that up. Separately, I put the ginger and the garlic together and with some oil. And then I use like about a sort of a medium sort of carrot, I guess. No jokes, guys, come on. And yeah, so essentially I'll just grate this up. I'll peel it, grate it up, and I'll fry it. And the carrot makes it really lovely, like grated carrot. Once you fry it and get a little bit of a crisp and it caramelizes, really nice. And then once I've done that, I'll usually add a few spices. I've got some, so I use garam masala. It's very, very simple, just beautiful base spice. It's organic from the local vegan store in Howick. Shout out to the vegan store in Rice's Mall in Howick. Thank you guys, I appreciate you for being there. And then I've also got some, I think I got these two actually from the same, the shop is owned by the same group of people, Tracy and Ronan, but this is from the Natural Health Company, which is literally right next door. This is asafoetida or hing powder, which is like an onion powder replacement. Really good for the gut, for digestive stuff. I've just started using it, and I'm just noticing how it affects my body, but it's pretty tasty too, actually. But yeah, as a way to sort of manage digestive situations, let's give that a shot. And then my super favorite is this, also from the vegan store or from Tracy and Ronan's shop, is it says organic caraway seeds, but it's actually these yeast flakes. And I call them cheesy flakes because, man, they are tasty. Like I don't eat cheese, or animal cheese, and I haven't really found a cheese that I like a vegan cheese. But these things are awesome, and they're a B12 supplement. In fact, they're a full B complex, right? I don't really kind of get hung up on ticking all the boxes, but I do notice when I don't eat spinach, if I don't have some vitamin C, like with my capsicum for the spinach and things like that. So I can intellectually kind of make the connection, but I listen to my body, and my body says, bro, you need something. And I know that if I have certain things, I'm good to go. And these things are great. So this is basically where I get my B vitamins from. So yeah, anyway, I'm grateful for you guys. Thank you for coming in, hanging out and checking out. Yeah, I'll probably do a live stream a bit later. Maybe we'll do some tarot. And yeah, we'll go from there. All right, I'm going to go out for a run. You guys have a beautiful day. I appreciate you all, and we'll see you soon.